Over 60, walking is one of the best exercises you can do. But most people don't realize that how you walk matters just as much as the fact that you walk. Today, we'll cover 7 walking mistakes people over 60 make, and how to fix them so walking truly becomes a powerful habit for your health. Make sure you stay until the end, because mistake number 7 is one of the most common problems doctors see. Before we get into mistakes, let's understand why walking matters even more after 60. After this age, muscle mass starts to decline, joints become stiffer, metabolism slows, and circulation can become less efficient. These are normal aging changes, but walking can slow them down. When you walk regularly, your heart works more efficiently, muscles stay active, joints keep moving, and your brain gets more blood flow, helping memory and mental clarity. Studies show regular walking reduces risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cognitive problems, but only if done correctly and consistently. Now, let's start with mistake number 1, starting too fast. Many people step outside and immediately walk at full speed. But your muscles, joints, and heart need a few minutes to warm up. Jumping straight into a fast pace can strain muscles, stress joints, and increase fatigue. The fix: start slowly for the first 3 to 5 minutes, then gradually increase your pace. Your body will thank you. Mistake number 2, poor walking posture. Slouched shoulders, head leaning forward, or gaze down may seem harmless, but it can cause neck pain, shoulder tension, and even affect your breathing. Solution: imagine a gentle string pulling your head up, keep shoulders relaxed and slightly back, gaze forward, and let your arms swing naturally. This improves oxygen flow and helps your body move efficiently. Mistake number 3, using the wrong shoes. Old or ill-fitting shoes can increase pressure on knees, hips, and lower back. Choose shoes with good cushioning, arch support, and flexible soles. Replace worn-out shoes regularly to protect your joints and enjoy your walk. Mistake number 4, walking too little during the week. A long walk once a week is not enough. The body benefits most from consistent movement. Even 20 to 30 minutes most days is far better. Regular walking signals your muscles, heart, and metabolism that activity is normal, keeping your body healthy. Moving on to the final 3 mistakes that can quietly reduce the benefits of walking after 50. Mistake number 5, not using your arms. Many people walk with arms still at their sides. But swinging your arms naturally helps balance your legs, engages more muscles, improves circulation, and boosts energy. Keep elbows slightly bent, let arms swing naturally, and feel the rhythm. Mistake number 6, walking while looking at your phone. This modern habit pulls your head forward, rounds shoulders, and strains your neck and back. Plus, it reduces awareness of surroundings, increasing the risk of tripping. Keep your phone in your pocket, look around, and focus on your breathing and movement. Walking becomes safer and more enjoyable. Mistake number 7, ignoring recovery. Walking is low impact, but your body still needs proper recovery. Drink water to stay hydrated. Do gentle stretching after your walk, and take rest days occasionally. Movement, hydration, stretching, and rest together support long-term health. So, why is walking still one of the best exercises after 50? It's safe, effective, requires no expensive equipment, and benefits heart, muscles, brain, and metabolism. The key is awareness and small adjustments in pace, posture, shoes, consistency, and arm movement. Walking isn't about speed. It's about creating a sustainable habit for long-term health. Now, I want to hear from you. How long do you usually walk each day? 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes or more? Comment below. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Health Fix for more science-based health tips. And don't miss our next video about what happens when you eat 4 eggs every day, surprising effects you might not know.